Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify subscription apps with Stripe customer IDs, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Select the subscription app you want to authenticate with Stripe. Access the Apps Settings or Configuration page. Locate the section for API keys or Stripe integration settings. Ensure you have your Stripe account set up and ready. Log into your Stripe dashboard in a separate tab. Copy your Stripe API secret key from the Stripe dashboard. Return to your Shopify app settings. Paste the Stripe API secret key into the designated field. Save the changes in your app settings. Next, ensure your app has access to the correct permissions. In the Stripe dashboard, go to the Developers section. Select API keys and then find your publishable key. Copy the publishable key for later use. Back in your Shopify app settings, find the field to input the publishable key. Paste the copied publishable key into the designated field. Now, proceed to set up customer authentication. In your app, create a new subscription or open an existing one. Copy the customer ID generated by Stripe for the subscription. Return to your Shopify app and find the Customer Authentication section. Input the Stripe customer ID into the relevant field. Make sure to verify the customer ID format is correct. Next, implement webhook functionality in your Stripe account. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to Developers and select Webhooks. Click on Add Endpoint to create a new webhook. Input the URL provided by your Shopify subscription app. Select the events you want to listen for, such as customer.subscription.updated and customer.subscription.deleted. Return to your Shopify app's webhook settings. Paste the webhook signing secret into the appropriate field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.